If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where we are building concepts on circles for JEE Main and Advanced level. Hope you have all seen the basic levels theories of circles. Today we will see in this lecture what is the position of a point in relation to a circle. Okay, then let's see this. Okay, so in the intermediate level the first topic is the position of a point in relation to a circle. We will see the position of a point. So in this article what is given, so that's why these given things are very important. You have to be very clear what is given and what we are finding in each and every article. So that will be helpful for you. So here given is one circle is given, that is this equation is given to you, and a point P is given to you. So you have to find the position of the point with respect to this circle. So three positions can be possible. P can be inside, you can see, P can be outside, that is on the circle, and P can be outside. You can see this is the positions of 3P. So how will define it where P is lying, which defines the distance between them, that defines. P can be either inside depending on what is the length of CP. If the length of this CP is smaller than your radius, then it is inside. If it is equal to, then it is on the circle. If it is greater than your radius, that means it is outside. So that's what it is. Inside means less than, on the circle means equal to, respectively you can think, or outside means greater than 0. So these all three symbols are given in a single symbol. So it is less than, equal to, or greater than. And it is the formula for radius we have seen from general equation. So if your CP is less than this, then it is inside. If it is equal to, on the, if it is greater than, then it is outside. So let us calculate what is CP. So what is CP? So what is origin here? C means their center is at -g -8. And what is P? P means your x1, y1. So what is the difference between these two distance formula? So x1 minus g, y1 minus f, which is nothing but whole square, should be equal to, both side I am taking suppose square. So CP square, this root will be gone because there will be a root on this one. So both the roots are gone. So it is something of this fashion if you open it in this fashion. So which is nothing but, you can see, you have just put the point x1 square, y1 square, 2g1, 2f1 plus C is less than or equal to this. So based on this, so P will be inside, on the, or outside. So this is the conclusion that we will do from this article. If it is less than this, then it is inside. If it is the calculation, if you put the point on the equation, if it is equal to, then it is on the circle. If it is greater than, then it is outside circle. And this one we will also know in later stage, that is known as power of a point, that is generally represented by S1. So you can remember in that way also. Okay, now corollary to that, on conclusion we can do, suppose you want to check origin, because origin is the very common point, which is 0 0, interesting also. So suppose this circle is given, so how will check whether the origin is inside that or outside that, or it is going through origin. So if you put 0 0, it should be, if it is less than 0, that if you put 0 0, everything will go on, that means C. So if C is less than 0, then it is inside. So if C is negative, then the origin lies inside. If C is positive, that means it is greater than 0, so it will lie outside. And if C is 0, that we already know that it will pass through origin, because if C is 0, no constant term will be there. If it is no constant term, then it is obviously going through origin. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.